Today I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Base44 in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick way to keep your apps organized, especially if you have multiple projects and want a cleaner workspace. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let's get started. First, look at the left navigation bar and click All Apps. This will open your full list of apps inside Base44. Once you can see the app you want to organize, find the three dots next to that app and click them to open the menu. From that menu, choose the option to create a new folder. You'll usually see this toward the top right of the screen. After that, a box will appear asking for the folder name. Type in the name you want for your folder, making it clear and easy to recognize later. Once the name is entered, click Create. Base44 will make the folder right away, and you can start using it to keep your apps grouped together. And that's it. You've now created a folder in Base44. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.